welcome to another video. This channel name is Arts and Crafts Little Star. How are you all friends? After watching this video, like, share, comments, subscribe if you have seen the video for the first time. In today, how to make a girl baby bow. This bow of satin ribbon. For doing this bow, satin ribbon, needle and thread. This girl baby bow is very easy to do. Anyone can do this. For making this bow, I have taken a 21-inch long plus with 2-inch satin ribbon. Now, let's see how to do that. First, we fold the satin ribbon to 10 centimeters. Fold one after the other and fold 3 times. If you watch this video till the end, you can easily learn how to do this baby bow. Okay friends, now fold done 3 times. Now you have to cut every pieces. Now cut in a semicircular shape at both ends. Friends, if you cannot cut, you can even draw and cut in a semicircular shape. If you draw and cut, you can easily cut. Now we have cut the 2 sides into a semicircle. We have got 6 pieces and size of the pieces is 10 cm. Now take a lighter, melt these satin ribbons that have been cut in a half circle shape. Melt all 6 pieces like this. We melted all 6 pieces into a petals shape. You can attach the thread to the needle and tie it at the end of the thread. Fold each satin ribbon pieces in halves so that it is folded by hand and sew with a needle in the middle. Shrink the 6 pieces like this and folded and sew. Now we shrunk all 6 pieces and sewed away. Hold the last piece of yarn and pull the thread and let it shrink. Then wrap the thread tightly around when all the pieces are shining. Now stitch once. You can sew the pearl in it. Now bow flower is ready. Now cut and paste the satin ribbon in a circle on the back of the flower. Now let's take a normal plastic girl baby bow. Then you can take a white plastic curling ribbon. It is optional, and you can even use satin ribbon for this if you want. Then stick the plastic ribbon at the last end on the bottom side of the bow. Then carefully work the plastic ribbon around the ribbon from the beginning to the end of the bow. Do it a little more carefully like this. Okay, now let's stick to the last end. This last end can be glued with satin ribbon. Do something like this. Do the same on this side as you did on that side. Now we need to paste the bow flower that we have made on one side of the bow. Now we made done with the girl baby bow. Wow, looks very good. Do it like this. You can easily make your own beautiful bow for your kids. Friends, do you want to know about any craft video? Comment on what craft video you want in the comment box. Friends, to know more about many little craft video, you can subscribe to it, like, share and comments on it. Thanks for watching.